In this guide, we're going over the very best deck for Arena 9 here in Clash Royale. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But obviously, continuing here on our series of best decks, we do have Arena 9, which the deck you're going to want to use is this Goblin Prince Beatdown deck. It is a heavy 4.1 elixir build that can completely overwhelm if you do play it right. Your win condition is obviously going to be the Golem. You don't just want to drop him though, unless you do have a solid elixir lead or it's double elixir time. Behind him stacks support like the Baby Dragon for splash and the Mega Minion for reliable defense. And then that Prince that you have in this deck is going to be your damage booster. He's great at punishing overcommits or just adding massive pressure behind your golem. His charge can shred enemy tanks and force big reactions, but here on defense, what you're going to want to do is actually use guards because guards are going to be clutch for stopping mini tanks and princes, while Baby Dragon plus Mega Minion are going to handle most pushes cleanly. For spells though, use a strong trio of Lightning to crush Musketeers, Wizards, or Inferno Dragons. For spells, you've got a strong trio, Lightning to crush Musketeers, Wizards, or Inferno Tower, Barbarian Barrel for cheap ground clear, and Giant Snowball to push and reset enemy troops. The synergy is solid, Golem tanks, support stacks behind, and the Prince or Baby Dragon clean up. It's not very free to play friendly just due to the high elixir cost and epics, but once you do get it down, this deck can feel unstoppable here in Arena 9. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.